The TUKI Travel Commode is one of the lightest self-propelled commodes on the market, combining the stability and comfort of traditional commodes with the portability of a travel commode. The TUKI Travel Commode weighs under 14 kgs, folding up easily into a small but robust canvas wheelie bag. This makes it a simple addition to your check-in luggage or saves boot space on your next road trip. A lightweight anodized construction affords the commode rigidity and structure. The signature clip and pin lock system simplifies the setup and pat down, saving the user or caregiver time and stress. Push lock brakes, swing down armrests, flip up footplate and a full memory foam padded seat are among the commode's essential features. The user also has the option of a front or side seat cutout. Quick release axles allows the easy addition of TUKI removable castor jays when bathroom space is minimal. Travel bedpans are also an optional extra. The TUKI Travel Commode is the perfect companion for your next adventure. Visit tukidesign.com for more information.